Yesterday, I woke up, smelled cinnamon, and heard my little cousin shouting, "It's Christmas!" And suddenly, I wasn't sleepy at all. That feeling is hard to describe in English, right?
Yes, that mix of excited, sleepy, hungry, and happy at the same time.
Exactly. Today, we're going to help you talk about that kind of Christmas feeling and your whole Christmas day in clear, simple English.
And we'll keep it nice and easy for beginners. No stress, just cozy English practice.
Before we go deeper into Christmas stories and useful words, one quick thing. If you enjoy learning with us on English Daily Lessons, please like this video and subscribe. It really helps our channel, and it tells us you want more lessons like this.
All right, let's start with a simple Christmas chat. Then we'll teach you words and phrases you can copy for your own story. Stay with us. In a moment, we'll show you the top emotions people feel on Christmas Day. So, Sarah, how was your Christmas last year?
It was quiet, but really nice. I stayed at my parents' house. In the morning, we opened gifts slowly, drank hot chocolate, and listened to soft Christmas music.
That sounds cozy. My Christmas was busy and noisy. My whole family came to my sister's house. Kids, grandparents, everyone. We cooked a big meal, played board games, and fell asleep on the sofa after dessert.
That's the classic Christmas ending. So notice the phrases we used. It was quiet, but really nice. We opened gifts slowly. My Christmas was busy and noisy.
These are simple, natural ways to start your Christmas story in English.
In a second, we're going to look at the most useful emotion words you can use to describe Christmas, like excited, cozy, grateful, even stressed or lonely. They'll help your story sound more real.
Let's start with positive Christmas feelings, the good emotions.
Yes. First one, excited. Excited means very happy and full of energy about something in the future. The children were excited to open their presents. I felt excited when I saw all the gifts under the tree.
Next, a beautiful word, cozy. Cozy means warm, comfortable, and safe, usually inside. The living room felt cozy with the tree lights and candles. We had a cozy evening on the sofa after Christmas dinner.
Another important one, grateful or thankful. Grateful means you feel happy and thankful for someone or something. I felt grateful to be with my family. She was thankful for all the messages from her friends.
And a calm, positive feeling, content. Content means quietly happy, satisfied. You don't need anything more. After the big meal, we sat and watched the tree lights. I felt content.
Now, let's look at some negative or uncomfortable feelings people sometimes have at Christmas, because not every moment is perfect.
True. One very common word, tired or exhausted. Exhausted means very tired. After cooking all day, my mom was exhausted. The kids were tired, but they didn't want to sleep.
Another one is stressed. Stressed means you feel pressure, too many things to do. He felt stressed because he still had to wrap all the presents. I was a little stressed before the family arrived.
And sometimes people feel lonely at Christmas. Lonely means you feel alone and you don't want to be alone. She felt lonely because her family lives in another country.
Now some mixed feelings, not 100% good or bad. For example, full or stuffed. Stuffed is an informal way to say too full. After the Christmas feast, I was stuffed, but also very happy.
Another mixed feeling, overwhelmed. Overwhelmed means too many people, too many tasks, too many emotions at the same time. With the noise, the cooking, and the kids running around, I felt a bit overwhelmed.
And one more, emotional. Emotional means you feel a lot of feelings at once, maybe happy and sad together. When my grandparents arrived, I felt very emotional. I almost cried.
In a moment, we'll practice these feelings in real situations so you can test yourself and answer with the right emotion. Stay with us. All right, let's play a quick game. I'll say a Christmas situation, and you, and Sarah, say the emotion. Ready?
Ready. And you at home, say the answer out loud, okay?
Situation 1. You've cooked all morning. Your family is late, the kitchen is a mess, and you still need to set the table. How do you feel?
I feel stressed and maybe a little overwhelmed.
Yes, stressed/overwhelmed, perfect. Situation 2. You're on the sofa under a blanket, Christmas lights are on, you're drinking hot chocolate, and a movie is playing. How do you feel?
I feel cozy and content.
Exactly. Cozy, content, calm, happy. Situation 3. Your best friend sends you a long message saying thank you for being in my life. How do you feel?
I feel grateful and maybe a bit emotional.
Nice. Situation 4. You planned a big family Christmas, but you had to work and stayed alone in your apartment. How do you feel?
I probably feel lonely and disappointed.
Yes, lonely and disappointed fit well. Situation 5. The kids wake you up at 5 a.m. jumping on your bed shouting, "Merry Christmas!" How do you feel?
Very tired, but also excited.
Perfect mix. Great job. In a moment, we'll look at some important Christmas vocabulary words like celebrate, tradition, and feast, so you can describe not only how you felt, but also what you did.
Let's focus on 6 key words you can use in almost every Christmas story. Celebrate. Do something special for a happy day. Eat, meet, enjoy. We celebrated Christmas at my grandparents' house. How do you usually celebrate New Year?
So instead of "we had Christmas," say "we celebrated Christmas." Tradition is something special you do every year, again and again. Our family tradition is to open one present on Christmas Eve. Watching a Christmas movie is a big tradition in my house.
You can ask other people, what are your Christmas traditions? Feast is a very big, special meal. We have a huge Christmas feast with turkey, potatoes, and vegetables. The table was full. It looked like a feast.
It sounds stronger and more special than just big dinner. Gather, come together in one place. My whole family gathers at my aunt's house on Christmas Day. We gathered around the tree to open presents.
It's a warm word. It feels like people coming close. Stocking, for Christmas, is a big decorative sock you fill with small gifts and sweets. The children checked their stockings first thing in the morning. We put chocolate and little toys in the kids' stockings.
And those small gifts are often called stocking fillers or stocking stuffers. This is a very useful phrase, look forward to. It means you feel happy and excited about something in the future. I look forward to Christmas all year. The kids are looking forward to opening their presents.
Remember the grammar. I look forward to Christmas. I look forward to seeing my family. Verb plus ing. Not look forward to see. Say to seeing.
Great. In a moment, we'll quickly review everything and then ask you our question of the day so you can practice in the comments.
Let's do a fast review so you can remember and use this today. We talked about positive Christmas feelings like excited, happy with lots of energy, cozy, warm and comfortable, grateful, thankful for what you have, content, calm, satisfied.
We also learned some negative or mixed feelings: tired, exhausted, very tired, stressed, too many things to do, lonely, feeling alone and sad, stuffed or full, ate too much, overwhelmed, too many people, tasks or feelings, emotional, many strong feelings together.
Then we practiced real-life situations and answered with emotions. Finally, we learned 6 powerful Christmas words: celebrate, tradition, feast, gather, stocking, look forward to.
With just these words and feelings, you can already answer, how was your Christmas? For example, it was cozy. My family gathered at my parents' house and we had a big Christmas feast. I felt very grateful.
Now it's your turn. Here is our question of the day. How was your last Christmas or your favorite holiday day? If you don't celebrate Christmas, you can choose any special day in your culture.
In the comments, try to write 2 to 3 short sentences. For example, my Christmas was quiet but nice. We celebrated at home. I felt content and grateful. Or, we don't celebrate Christmas, but we have a big family feast for another holiday. I always feel excited and happy.
Use at least one feeling word and one new vocabulary word from this lesson, like feast, tradition, or gather.
We really do read your comments, and they help you remember the new words, so don't be shy, just write something simple.
If this lesson helped you, please like this video and subscribe to English Daily Lessons so you don't miss the next conversation.
And when this video finishes, you'll see another English Daily Lessons video on your screen. Click it and keep practicing your English with us.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us today. Keep learning, keep smiling, and enjoy your holidays.
See you in the next lesson. Bye.
Bye!